Hello dear friends, welcome to today's class. So welcome to class 10 English day 7. We have completed already 6 days and we had completed a lesson, Adventures in a Banyan Tree. And I hope all of you are well learned the story by now. Just to recall to your mind the story of the boy who watched a fight between a mongoose and cobra, and who also witnessed nature's magic, white squirrels. It's a beautiful story. So now let us once again recall to our mind the story and let us try to answer the questions of these lessons. Okay? So I'll read out the questions and I'll just explain you, and also I'll give you the answer, but not by writing. I'll just explain. You can listen to me and write in your own words to the notebook. അപ്പോൾ ഞാൻ പാഠം നമ്മൾ പഠിച്ചു, ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ വായിച്ച് എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ചെയ്തു തരും. മനസ്സിലാകാത്തവർക്ക് ഉദ്ദേശിച്ചുകൊണ്ടാണ്. ഓക്കെ, മനസ്സിലാകാൻ ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടുള്ള കുട്ടികളെയും കൂടി ഉദ്ദേശിച്ചുകൊണ്ടാണ് എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ ചെയ്തു തരുന്നത്. എന്നിട്ട് അതിൻ്റെ ഉത്തരവും ഞാൻ പറയും, എഴുതി തരില്ല. ദാറ്റ് യു ഹാവ് ടു റൈറ്റ്, ബിക്കോസ് ഇൻ ദി എക്സാംസ് യു ഹാവ് ടു പ്രിപ്പയർ യുവർ ഓൺ ആൻസേഴ്സ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ let us read the questions first of all. First question: house and grounds were of grandfather's domain, but the old magnificent banyan tree was mine. Why did the boy say so? That is a question. House and grounds were of grandfather's domain. വീടും പറമ്പും മുത്തശ്ശൻ്റെ അധികാരത്തിലായിരുന്നു. ബട്ട് ഓൾഡ് മാഗ്നിഫിഷ്യന്റ് ട്രീ വാസ് മൈൻ. എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് കുട്ടി അങ്ങനെ പറഞ്ഞത്? യു നോ ദ ആൻസർ? Tell me, what is the answer? Because the old grandfather could not climb the banyan tree in this old age. Only the boy could climb there. So that was under his control. That's why he said the banyan tree was my domain. Okay? Next question, let us analyze. How did the squirrel become a friend of the boy? എങ്ങനെയാണ് കുട്ടി സ്ക്വയറിൽ ഫ്രണ്ട് ആയത്? സോ വി നോ ദ സ്റ്റോറി. ഫസ്റ്റ് ദ സ്ക്വയറിൽ വാസ് അഫ്രൈഡ്. ഓക്കെ, ആൻഡ് വെൻ ദ സ്ക്വയറിൽ ഫൗണ്ട് ദാറ്റ് ദ ബോയ് വാസ് വിതൗട്ട് എനി വെപ്പൺസ് ലൈക്ക് എ കാറ്റർപുൾട്ട്, ആൻഡ് വെൻ ഹി ബിഗാൻ ടു ഗിവ് some scraps, some food scraps or something, so it became his friendly with him. Okay, that you can write the answer. Third question: what did the friends of the squirrel think about his friendship with the human? What might have made them think so? So what the friends of the squirrel thought about the friendship of the squirrel with the human? They thought he was headstrong and foolish. No, that is the answer. And what might make them think so? Because the humans always used to attack the animals. Okay, so they thought for the little squirrel it is a foolish thing to make friendship with a human being. Okay, analyze the next question. How was the banyan tree the noisiest place during the fig season? How it was a noisiest place? And we have learned in the lesson different kinds of birds used to perch there. They used to sit there and gossiping, rosy parrots and so on. We have learned that. Okay, so they were chirping and making noise. That's the reason it was the noisiest place during the fig season. You can refer your textbook and write the answer. Okay, how did the boy make the spring season exciting for himself? എങ്ങനെയാണ് അവന് തന്നെ എക്സൈറ്റിംഗ്, അവന് തന്നെ ഒരു ഉത്സാഹം ഉണ്ടാക്കുന്നതാക്കിയത് the spring season? He made a platform on the tree and he was reading books there and watching in the garden, etc. That's how he made the spring season exciting. What was the incident that triggered a long-lasting excitement for the boy in summer? ആ സംഭവം എന്തായിരുന്നു? ആ സമ്മർ മുഴുവൻ അവനെ എക്സൈറ്റ് ചെയ്തത്. Do you know? It was a fight between the incident that triggered a long-lasting excitement for the boy in summer was the fight between the cobra and mongoose. And very simple, you can write the answer. Okay, only thing is that I am not giving here the answer written, but I am explaining it listening to me, you can write the answers. Okay? എന്നെ ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചിരുന്നാൽ അതിൻ്റെ ഉത്തരം എല്ലാവർക്കും എഴുതാവുന്നതാണ്. ഓക്കെ. ഹൗ ഡിഡ് ദ കോബ്ര റിഗാർഡ് ഈസ് ഒപ്പോണൻറ്റ്? റിഗാർഡ് എങ്ങനെയാണ് പരിഗണിച്ചിരുന്നത് തൻ്റെ എതിരാളിയെ? വേർ ദേ ട്രൂ വാരിയേഴ്സ്? അവർ ശരിക്കും യോദ്ധാക്കളായിരുന്നു. സോ ദ കോബ്ര ന്യൂ ദാറ്റ് ദ മംഗൂസ് ഈസ് വെരി ക്ലെവർ ആൻഡ് ഈസ് എ സ്കിൽഫുൾ ഫൈറ്റർ, അല്ലേ? ആൻഡ് ദേ ആർ ട്രൂ വാരിയേഴ്സ്. ഹൗ ഡിഡ് ദ മംഗൂസ് മാനേജ് ടു എസ്കേപ്പ് ഫ്രം ദ സ്നേക്സ് ബൈറ്റ്? സോ വി സീ ദാറ്റ് ഇൻ ദ പാരഗ്രാഫ് that it bushed up its tail, and the spine, the hair on its spine, it was standing up like, that's how it saved itself from many fatal attacks. അപകടകരമായ പല അപകടത്തിൽ നിന്നും തൻ്റെ രോമം അങ്ങനെ എഴുന്നള്ളിച്ചു നിന്ന് ആണ് രക്ഷപ്പെട്ടിരുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ. ദ കോബ്ര വാസ് എ ഗുഡ് ഫൈറ്റർ. പിക്ക് ഔട്ട് വൺ ഓഫ് ഹിസ് ഫൈറ്റിംഗ് ടെക്നിക്സ്. So the cobra was a good fighter, no? He was striking, he had a hypnotizing eyes, mesmerizing eyes. He had a venom sac. His fangs, everything. So he was a very skillful fighter. The mongoose proved that he was clever. Can you cite any instance of his cleverness? So the mongoose already proved that it was very clever. Can you cite any instance or udaharanam of his cleverness? So we know that he made a feint, it is said, made a feint, acting to move to one side and moved to the other. So the snake was, so he made many tricks and he was biting the snake and he was going back at the same time. And he was saving himself from the bite. So in this way we can say that he was very clever. ഈ രീതിയിലൊക്കെ നല്ല ഫൈറ്റർ ആണെന്ന് തെളിയിക്കാം. What were the reactions of the spectators when the cobra struck? Reaction of the spectators. Who are the spectators? The myna and crow. So when the cobra struck, two birds, they flew to the cobra, each other, and they collapsed and they collided and they went back. That was their reaction. So answers I am already giving you. You can write it down. Okay. How did the crow push itself into trouble? എങ്ങനെയാണ് കാക്ക അബദ്ധത്തിൽ ചെന്ന് ചാടിയത്? The crow was, in the third attempt it came near the cobra and it was trying to move back. Okay, and at that time the hood of the snout of the cobra stuck its body. That's how it got into trouble. Okay. Why is the myna said to be wise? എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് മൈന ബുദ്ധിമതിയാണെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞത്? Because once it saw how the crow died, it withdrew from interfering. Okay, it withdrew itself from interfering. ഇടപെടുന്നത് മതിയാക്കി പിന്മാറി. So that's the reason. Okay. Next, who won the battle? What made the myna peer into the business? Definitely you know the answer. Who won the battle? The mongoose won the battle, and the myna was making sure the cobra is dead. Maybe it was expecting maybe some leftover or things like that. So it wanted to congratulate the mongoose and it flew away. Okay. What prevented grandfather from taming the mongoose? When we learned the lesson, we learned that a wild mongoose was more useful than a tamed mongoose. That's the reason the grandfather did not want to tame a mongoose. Why would the grandmother forgive the mongoose for stealing the eggs? എന്തുകൊണ്ടായിരിക്കും മുത്തശ്ശി ക്ഷമിച്ചിരിക്കുക നമ്മുടെ മംഗൂസിനോട്? Because it kept the snake away. Okay, and it never attacked the hen or the chicken. It only attacked the snake. Okay, that is the reason he would have forgiven that. Okay. Who was a new friend of the squirrel? How did they enjoy their friendships? And who was a new friend of the squirrel? It was a white rat. And how did they enjoy their friendship? They used to go for excursions, for tours. They used to go, and how they enjoyed their friendship. How did the boy come to know that the squirrel was building a nest? How did the boy എങ്ങനെ മനസ്സിലാക്കിയത്? Because he saw in his pocket some bits of making the straw was there, such things were there. So he understood the squirrel was going to build a nest. And the last question, What was the wonder that nature had kept for them in the nest? പ്രകൃതി അവർക്കായിട്ട് അവിടെ കരുതി വെച്ചിരുന്ന അത്ഭുതം ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു. And definitely you know the answer. What was that wonder? White squirrels. Okay, the white squirrel babies were the wonder that nature had kept for them in the nest. That way you have to answer. Okay, so dear students, you can answer these questions, and I want to make it sure that you do it. Okay, so please write it in your notebook. Okay, take a photo of it personally, each one. Okay, please send to me in my WhatsApp number. And I hope all the students know the WhatsApp number of me, of my school. They know it. Okay, if you don't know, you can ask your friends and get my WhatsApp number. Please send the answers to me within 2 days, and I want to know how many of you are really following the class and learning the lesson. Okay, do it well. Have a nice day.